Hello everybody, it's Mr. Dooner here from Dudley Performing Arts, and today in our lesson we're going to be learning how to play the theme tune to Batman. Okay, and there's a few reasons we're doing this. One, to help you practice your notes. Two, to learn about tied notes. And three, to remind ourselves how repeat marks work. Okay, so the notes you're going to need for this are G, C and D. And how to play those notes is in a separate video. You won't need it all. You just need those three notes. But just check that out if you need a reminder of how to play them. Okay, have a look at the first two notes. Okay, you'll notice that the second note has a little bracket joining it on to a third. That is a tie, and what that simply means is that those two notes are added together and played as one note. Okay, the first note is a crotchet, and that would normally last for one beat. The second note is a minim, and that would normally last for two beats, added together with the tie, and they last for three. Okay, which means that when we play those notes, they sound like this. So the first couple of lines of Batman have notes that fit this pattern. It's G to begin with, then rest for four beats, then G again. Okay. After that, it goes up to C. So find your C's and play. And then for the last bit, back down to G. The third line of Batman is a little bit more fiddly because we need to move more quickly between the notes, which are D, D, C, C, and G, G. So that sounds D, D, C, C, and G, G. Okay? Now, as you can see, at the end of this line, there is a repeat mark. Okay? Normally, that would mean you would need to go back to the start and start again. However, if you look at the start of this line, you'll see that there's actually a repeat mark pointing the other way. This means that we repeat back to the repeat mark pointing the other way. So we only actually do the last line again. D, D, C, C, G, G. Okay, well, I think you've learnt enough now to try playing along to the backing track. So I shall put the music up for you and the track. Play along, see how you get on. Well, I hope you enjoyed playing Batman again. And what I want you to do is I want you to think about TV themes, movie themes, songs that come on in the middle of TV shows, radio shows, films, this, that, and the other. And just think about how that music's written, how it's supposed to make you feel. In Batman's case, it's supposed to feel you pumped up and excited for what will hopefully be a fun and entertaining show. This version of Batman, anyway. So we will have a think about that, and next time you watch some TV or or a film, just have a listen to the theme and think about how that makes you feel, and think about how we might use that when we're playing a musical instrument. Thank you. See you again next time.